Welcome to the 9th episode of Advent Nature.
Stay tuned to the end of the video. We have some exciting news for everybody. Tucked away in the far western panhandle of Oklahoma, Black Mesa State Park is nestled among vast rolling grasslands. This park is situated near the tri-state area of Colorado to the north, New Mexico to the west, and Texas to the south. With a wide assortment of habitats, ranging from pinyon-juniper grasslands, a lush riparian area, and the open waters of Lake Etling, it is no wonder the area attracts a vast array of wildlife, including more than 260 species of birds. Located within the Black Mesa State Park, Lake Etling is a good area to search for wildlife. From April through September, you may see the camouflaged Texas horned lizard. This prehistoric-looking reptile has what appears to be 4 large horns extending from the back of its head. The horns are actually specialized body scales that help protect the lizard from predators. We found this individual lounging in the parking area by the boat ramp. The boat ramp is also a good area in summertime to look for a good variety of dragonflies. The male widow skimmer can often be found perched on reed stems as it watches for other male intruders that may try to invade its territory. The sulfur-tipped clubtail can be found at the lake from May through September. It can be told from other similar dragonflies by the yellow or sulfur-colored tip on the end of its abdomen. Other dragonflies that may be found here include 12-spotted skimmer, common whitetail, blue dasher, and eastern amberwing. Damselflies may also be found here, especially the numerous familiar bluets. The bluer males firmly grasp the slightly duller females behind the head with the tip of their abdomen. While the males are suspended in mid-air, the perched females dip the tip of their abdomens underwater to lay eggs. The lake is also a good place to check for a large variety of wintering and migrant water birds, such as the American white pelican, double-crested cormorant, Baird's Sandpiper, and lesser Yellowlegs. Located behind the park office is a bird blind with seed feeders. The only bird we encountered at the feeders during our visit was this male house finch. Native to the western United States and Mexico, house finches were accidentally released in New York in 1940 and quickly colonized the eastern United States. The Cassin's Kingbird can be found throughout the park during summer months, before heading south to winter in Mexico. It is not unusual to see males chase away much larger hawks that have strayed too close to their nest site. This particular bird is perched on top of a bat box located near the park office. The creekside campground is ideally located along a lush riparian area. One does not have to venture far from their camp to explore a wide variety of birds and other wildlife. The eastern Phoebe is a common summer visitor. This flycatcher has a habit of regularly wagging its tail when perched. Although this particular bird seems to be more interested in sleeping than actually fly catching. The distinctive red-headed woodpecker is another summer visitor. This individual is using its beak to hammer on the tree branch to find insects, which it can then extract with its large tongue. It is not unusual to also find red-headed woodpeckers clinging to telephone poles scattered throughout the park. This hairy woodpecker has taken an easier approach to searching for food by searching inside the crevices of this large tree trunk. Unlike the red-headed woodpecker, this species can be found year-round at Black Mesa State Park. One of the most abundant birds in North America is the mourning dove. This trimmed dove with a tail that tapers to a point can be found in a wide variety of habitats across North America. Slightly larger than a mourning dove, the Eurasian Collard-Dove has a distinct collar on the back of its neck. Native to Europe and Asia, this dove became established in Florida in the 1980s. It has since quickly expanded its range throughout much of the United States. The male common grackle is a distinct bird with a yellow eye and a large keel-shaped tail. When seen in a good light, it shows a distinct glossy purplish head, neck, and breast. Females and juveniles are less distinct with a browner plumage and dark eyes. In the vicinity of the campground, you may also see scaled quail and bullock's oriole. During spring migration, uncommon warblers that have been found here include this Blackpoll, Ovenbird, and black and white warbler. Some of the reptiles and amphibians that we have encountered here include the Prairie Lizard and Woodhouse's toad. After its long hibernation in underground burrows, the Orante Box Turtle may emerge following summer rains. Unlike other turtles which prefer water, this species typically inhabits prairies and other grasslands. The painted crescent inhabits grassland areas of the Great Plains and the southwestern United States from spring through fall. This individual appears to be extremely excited when nectaring on this flower. The queen butterfly is also common here. Welcome back to Advent Nature. Thank you for watching our latest video. We have some wonderful news, some exciting news for us.
We are planning an overland trip to Alaska. Right now, this is mid-June 2021. The border with Canada is not yet open, but we're hoping that by the time we get up to the border, sometime in early July, it'll be open.
And if that doesn't work, we always have a plan B. We will be heading east to New England.
So if you'd like to follow along on our adventure, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Follow us along and come with us on an adventure. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Say bye, Sylv. Oh, it's okay. Come here.